Here's a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
President's Award-winning Toyota of Southern Maryland is conveniently located at 22500 Three Notch Road in Lexington Park, Maryland.